Right, June 7th, the drawing is finished and framed. The martyrdom of my great-uncle Liebl Barshewsky, from a village outside of Bialystok, Poland, and who lived in Berlin with his wife Hindel and their two children who were born in the 1920s. The martyrdom by the Third Reich and the Church. So these are allegorical monsters, or like sea monsters. We have one metaphoric bird's wing here on the viewer's left, on Liebl's right shoulder. These images are not allegorical sea monsters. Are inspired by reproductions from plates of the Kalonymus Bible, which is in a collection at a university in Poland, the original Bible. So it's all ink, colored pencil, watercolor, and gouache. There's one piece of fabric here. Liebl, who I assume was poor, he didn't have a shop, he sold clothing out of their apartment, flat in British English, in Berlin. All Liebl, Hindel, his wife, and their two children all vanished into the abyss, what Elie Wiesel used to refer to as the kingdom of night, referring to the Holocaust. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching.